Does Sony TV have web browser? Most Sony Smart TVs come with a built-in web browser, allowing users to browse the internet directly on their TV. However, the browsing experience may be limited compared to a computer or smartphone, as some websites may not function properly due to compatibility restrictions. The availability of a web browser depends on the TV model and operating system. 1. Web browser on Android TV and Google TV models. Sony Smart TVs running Android TV or Google TV include a default web browser, often called Viewed Browser or Opera TV Browser. While these browsers support basic web browsing, they may not be as fast or fully functional as desktop browsers. Users can also install third-party browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Puffin Browser from the Google Play Store for better performance. 2. How to access the web browser on Sony TV. To open the web browser on a Sony Smart TV, Step 1, press the Home button on the remote. Step 2, navigate to Apps or All Apps. Step 3, select the Internet Browser or Viewed Browser, depending on the model. Step 4, use the remote control or a connected wireless keyboard to browse websites. Third, limitations of Sony TV web browsers. While Sony TVs provide web browsing functionality, there are certain limitations. No Flash or Java support. Some websites may not load correctly. Limited navigation. Browsing with a remote control can be slower compared to a keyboard and mouse. No direct downloads. Most Sony TV browsers do not support file downloads. Ad blocking and extensions unavailable. Unlike desktop browsers, Sony TV web browsers do not support extensions or advanced features. 4. Installing a different web browser. If the built-in browser is not satisfactory, users can install alternative browsers from the Google Play Store on Android TV or Google TV models. Some popular choices include Puffin TV Browser, which is optimized for smart TVs, and TV Web Browser, which offers better navigation controls. 5. Alternative ways to browse the web on Sony TV. For Sony TVs without a web browser or for those who prefer a smoother experience, users can use screen mirroring via AirPlay or Chromecast to browse from a mobile device. Connect a laptop via HDMI to display a full web browsing experience on the TV. Use a streaming device like Amazon Fire Stick or Roku, which may have better web browser support. Most Sony Smart TVs include a built-in web browser, but the browsing experience is basic. While Android TV and Google TV models allow users to install alternative browsers, using external devices like a laptop or screen mirroring provides a more seamless web experience.